Are you looking for a reliable online teacher? You're in the right place. This bag was even made with a local sewing machine because the location where I am, I'm actually making this bag for someone, so they don't actually have industrial machine yet. Okay, so I came here, it's a friend of mine, so I discovered they have a machine. I decided to buy these materials and then I made this bag for them. Pretty simple and easy. Okay, yes, if you want to learn how to make this bag, I will teach you how to go about it. Of course, I'll open it and let you see the interior. I'm a teacher of classic bags and shoemaking. My name is High Level of Grace HLG, the full-time private online teacher of classic bags. So I bought these materials and then decided to make this bag for this friend of mine. It's a free gift. Using their local sewing machine, I discovered they have the machine. I even bought the machine's parts. I repaired the machine by myself. You can see the parts. You see the parts. So I bought this part. You can see the part with the machine, right? I'll show you the machine. That is it. Can you see the machine? So they were not using it. So I came and then bought materials for them and then I made the bag for them. And I'll leave the remaining part of that's the importance of your skills. At anywhere you can just deliver something and then life continues. Let's assume it was for business, I'll still sell it. Right? Yes, it's a gift. So handwork is very good, most especially when you master it, you know what you're doing. So I've recorded all the videos how I made this bag, so I will send the videos to you if you are ready to upgrade your skills. If you want, or if you want to learn this particular bag, I will teach you how to go about it. It is a Birkin flap, so with different touch. So if you want to learn the Birkin bag, it is also there in the master's class. I have 4 different Birkin bags in the training class. So once you pay, you have to make your payment directly to access the videos. So my baby is here. Can you see that? So message me if you want to join the training class, if you want to watch the videos. Even if you don't want to join the training class, the videos you can access them in as much as you are ready to make payment. So message me on WhatsApp to get started. This baby, eh? Oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man. Oh, yeah, come and bless these people with your blessed fingers. Why do children like? Yes, one thing I love about this baby is a giver. All right, why do children always tie their hands? Yeah? See 30 hairs of an agbero. See innocent hand. Guys, please message me on WhatsApp if you want to learn how to make this bag. I will teach you. The videos are ready step by step. Even if your machine is having an issue, I'll teach you how to repair it, since I'm the one that fixed this machine and then I made this bag. So I will teach you how to go about the machine, the important part to repair, to change, to adjust, and all of that. As you can see, if you have this screwdriver, you have sewing machine, I'll teach you everything. And that is just me for you guys. See you on WhatsApp.